Problem 3 in LeetCode longest substring without repeating characters. So basically, we are given a string and we have to find out the longest substring without repeating characters. In this case, it will be 3. Okay, this is a typical two-pointer problem. Let's define the left 0. Let's create a set as well because we want unique. So string set is equals to s, and let's also do the result 0. And in this case, the right will be for right in range of length of s, while string set, while s right in string set. I want to remove a string set dot remove, and what I want to remove s left, and I will update my left to 1. Now for right, I want mm, mm, max is equals to max, and I also need to add the result to the strings. What I'm Okay, it will be s right, and what I want is the max of result, comma right minus left plus 1, and I can return my result here. Okay, let's see. What did I do? Oh, sorry. I have to put it set. Okay, let's look at the time complexity of this problem. So if you see, I am doing it in the O of n here, everything within this, follow that. So the time complexity is O n, and the space complexity is also O n because we may have the whole string into the result. Thank you.